Okay guys, let's flip to Visual Studio and let us install the extension for stories. So VSCode, now in VSCode we have a feature of stories as well, so you can install it from here directly, and if you want to check further information you can follow the link of the YouTube channel over there. And you will notice there is an icon of S being added in your Visual Studio VSCode, and let me open some of the file over here. And it is like the VS Code is being sold, so we need to install, and this is not getting refreshed, so we need to, I think, close the Visual Studio and then check that again. So let me close this Visual Studio once so that this error is not popped up again, right? So we have already downloaded it. What happened was, like, stories was developed by some other developer and it's now sold to Roll and Brand, so that's why the file is missing. Not missing, but it's just doing some other issue in the refresh. So now you can see the stories over here, and like it's same like Instagram or WhatsApp stories. You can click on the stories to view the code snippet, what they are actually working on. So whatever the users are linked from the GitHub account, so whatever you are working on or whichever file you want to add in a story, you can add that. So if you see like here, hello world, you can see the hello world, and you can add heart to the story if you like it, and there is a speed in which you want to play, so you can have fun around that. And let us do one thing over here. So some of the stories we are not able to see because what the user might have done is, like, they have coded one file and they haven't recorded the story, right? You can see in the right side bottom screen we have an option to record the story. For that we need to authorize our account with the GitHub account. So like we have did it now. Let me open a file. I'll pick up the file from one of my TypeScript example. So we have this static.ts file in which I have a code for class, circle, and blah blah blah, just a simple console log. I'll just record it and publish. So we did nothing, but at the time of recording I just pressed one enter key, and so it's like that. If I create a new file and start recording and then start coding the entire file, so it will record entire thing and then it will play in the story. So every other person can see your story as well. So that's all about stories. This is the landing page of the stories, wherein you can see other people's story.